Well, yeah, foul! Going across the reach, Juju, we're going across
It was
the reach.
intense today, but the team that started it on top, Artemis Racing, well, they've extended their lead to 19 points.
Good one, Juju. Nice one, Truby.
Championship leaders Group Eben de Rothschild, they bounced back from a difficult start yesterday. 7th at breakfast time, the end of day 5th. In the podium places now, Emirates Team New Zealand 3rd, up from 5th, but they didn't have it all their own way.
You're going to have room. Oh, you got room.
Olympia 2nd, those two tied on points. So that's the score, 14 races down. Tomorrow, though, we move up a gear, stadium sailing. Doors open to the public, and 44 sailors are resting now. Bruised boats are being put back together. But tomorrow, are Artemis off and launched? The track record of this circuit says probably not.